Hi, we researched a large variety of products based on their overall performance, value for money, and reviews from thousands of consumers that have purchased them. Through research and side-by-side comparisons, we believe that the following products are indeed the best on the market today. If you choose from these models, you can be sure that you are buying a great product. Make sure to check the products links below in the description. Let's see which are the best products this year.
Hello and welcome to the Morakniv factory. My name is Kalle and today I'm going to talk about the Pro S, a knife designed and intended for Scandinavian construction workers. The handle is made of TPE rubber, which gives optimal friction. The spindle shape gives it an ergonomic grip, which is very comfortable. And the rubber here doesn't conduct the cold, so you can work outdoors without any problem, whatever the season. It has a 2mm thick blade made out of stainless steel, which is also ideal for outdoor work. It isn't affected by the elements to the same extent as carbon steel. Stainless steel also keeps the knife sharper for longer and doesn't require as much maintenance. This knife is not compatible with a fire starter. It is designed and intended for Scandinavian construction workers. Here, our priority is a sharp and durable edge with a good grip, which means that the look on the spine isn't a high priority feature. You are more than welcome to use any of our knives for your intended needs. But keep in mind that the spine will be raw, not grinded, on most craftsman and construction knives. Therefore, it's not compatible with a fire starter. The shields on the sheet make it easy to connect two craftsman's knives together. Thank you for watching and see you next time.
This is the Schrade Extreme Survival Knife SCHF9. The SCHF9 sports a durable, fine-edge fixed blade that is crafted from 1095 high-carbon steel. A favorite of survivalists and bushcrafters for its strength and ability to hold a razor-sharp edge. The blade is a 1/4 inch thick, coated with wear and water-resistant PTFE. Boasting a full tang running the entire length of the knife, it ends in a lanyard hole at the base of the handle, making the SCHF9 a stout and trustworthy blade you can depend on in the field. The knife is carried in a ballistic nylon sheath and is secured with an adjustable strap and snap system. On the front, there's a handy removable pouch for everyday carry survival gear, and a lanyard for use as emergency cordage or to lash the sheath bottom to your thigh. Carry options include a hook and loop flap system that allows you to wear the sheath without removing your belt, and MOLLE-compatible straps for attaching it to gear. The thick rubberized TPE handle grip makes the SCHF9 comfortable to use for extended periods and in poor weather conditions. The drop point blade design forms an extra strong tip for piercing, poking, and fine cutting. The sharp contoured edge is crafted to maximize every chop and cut, and the exposed tang at the base of the handle makes a tough tool for pounding and crushing. Designed for reliable everyday performance, crafted from premium materials and built for a lifetime. This is the Schrade Extreme Survival Knife SCHF9.
In World War II, the Marine Corps was looking for a better knife than the one that they had, something stronger, more durable. Union Cutlery submitted Marine Combat Knife with a 7-inch blade, a blood groove, double guard, stacked leather washers, and a stamp on the blade. K-Bar only in New York. It was the most widely recognized combat knife that was used in World War II. It created the legacy that is K-Bar. In 1898, two brothers founded Tidiute Cutlery Company in Tidiute, Pennsylvania to make straight razors. In 1902, the company changed to Union Razor. In 1912, it changed to the Union Cutlery Company as the company had progressed into more multi-bladed pocket knives and fixed-blade hunting knives. In 1952, the company again changed its name to K-Bar due to the popularity of the U.S. Marine Combat Knife. This is American craftsmanship at its finest. It is handcrafted by skilled labor, looking at it with exacting standards. We've got skilled craftsmen and cutlers that have been here for decades. The Marine Combat Knife continues to be K-Bar's best seller. It is made to the exact same standards that it was back in 1941 and continues to be the cornerstone of our business. Today, we're never resting. We're always being innovative. We have Becker Knife and Tool, Dozier designs, TDI law enforcement, knives for the oncoming zombie apocalypse. It doesn't matter what your hobby or your niche, we make the knife for you. One thing hasn't changed though, is we still make the best knives out there, and we make them right here in the United States. K-Bar is something that is just weaved in the fabric of American culture. It's an American icon.